ठीक है ना? Okay. Now what arithmetic operations are carried out on images? Just look at it. You can do summation of images, addition of images, then subtraction of images, multiplication and division. ठीक है ना? These are the operations which can be carried out between two images. ठीक है? तो let us see that. First of all आ जाओ, एडिशन की बात करते हैं. I mean, question is, why do we carry out addition of images at all? Okay? What is the need of adding two images? That I will tell you now. What is the need? So, suppose there is an image f of xy. To read an image in MATLAB, we have the command imread. Imread. Okay? You will remember it now. तो ci इक्वल टू imread और उसके बाद में उस इमेज का आपको नाम देना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे आ गई, देखो ये हेल्प आ जाती है. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग इन MATLAB, that as soon as you start writing the command, your help will come. तो ये आगे देखो फाइल नेम लिखना है और बस फाइल नेम लिखना है. ठीक है ना? तो लेना, इसका स्पेलिंग भी ठीक रखना, और कैपिटल लेटर्स और स्मॉल लेटर्स में MATLAB में डिफरेंस होता है. I cannot write small l for लेना. My file name contains लेना का l बड़ा, capital letter. So I have to keep that. लेना 512, that was the name. ये याद रखने के लिए 512 by 512 की इमेज है. Although इसको छोटी कर दी थी हमने कहीं कभी. .png ये इसका एक्सटेंशन है, यानी कंप्रेशन मेथड है, इससे ये स्टोर हुई है. तो आई थिंक समझ गए बात को, या कोई मुश्किल है? ci इक्वल टू imread द नेम ऑफ द फाइल इन विच द इमेज इज स्टोर्ड. ओके, एंड मैं सेमीकोलन लगा देता हूं. अगर मैं सेमीकोलन नहीं लगाऊंगा तो तुम द कंप्लीट स्क्रीन विल बी फुल विद द नंबर्स, यू नो, द इंटेंसिटी वैल्यूज ऑफ डिफरेंट पिक्सेल्स. तो ये मैंने लगा दिया, ये मैंने रीड कर लिया. ऐसे हैं 330 इस तरह से हैं. ठीक है ना? बाई थ्री का मतलब ये है कि देर इज वन रेड चैनल, देर इज वन ग्रीन चैनल, देर इज वन ब्लू चैनल. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बाई थ्री. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज 330 बाई 330 बाई 3. ठीक है ना? तो ये 3 जो है, ये लास्ट वाला 3 इसके लिए आया है. ओके, इज द कमांड टू डिस्प्ले द इमेज. तो इम शो ci. पहली बात तो इमेज देख लो. इज द इमेज. बड़ा करके दिखा देता हूं. ये लेना जी है ना. वर्ड में अगर आऊं तो आई वांटेड टू शो यू दिस पोर्शन ऑफ द इमेज. बहुत सारे पिक्सेल्स हैं, तो मैं आपको 10 पिक्सेल्स यहां पर, मतलब दिस वे 10 पिक्सेल्स और 10 पिक्सेल्स ये. ठीक है ना? ये शो कर दिखाना चाहता हूं आपको. और रेड चैनल के, ग्रीन चैनल के, ब्लू चैनल के. उसके बाद में हम इसको ग्रे स्केल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. टेक द नेम ऑफ द वेरिएबल एज CIR. दैट्स गुड एनफ. CIR मींस it's a variable which will have the red intensity values. Okay, so CIR equal to CI, and let us say my row number is 1 to 10. You may keep anything, so that it should not fill the complete display screen. And then 1 to 10, 1 to 10 column, and then red channel is channel number 1. Remember, they are having the sequence. Red is 1, green is 2, and blue is 3, right? Always the sequence will be maintained, RGB. It's never other way. So if I want to show you the red channel, that means 1. Okay. This is the situation shown correctly. Okay. Right. So CIR equal to, can you see these values? There are 10 rows, 10 columns, and these are the intensity values of 10 by 10. So these are the values. Okay. So those pixels are having some sort of middle green values between 0 to 255. They are not highly green. They are not, I mean, the green content is not very less also. The green content is not too much also. It is in between. So I can show you the blue also, and no problem. This is the blue. Got it? Put the name of the variable CI gray. Okay? CI gray equal to, and the command is RGB2 gray. This is the command in MATLAB which converts a color image into grayscale image. And CI was the name of the color image. So as soon as I execute this command, you will have the new variable CI gray, which will contain the intensity values of the grayscale image. Okay. This is the, can you see? This is the grayscale image. Just see the properties of CI gray. This is 330 by 330. CI was having 330 into 330 into 3. But it is having 330 into 330. So let us say CI gray 1:10, comma 1:10. Again, 10 by 10 portion of the image I am showing you. You can see CI gray, and as I said, that the row number I am taking from, let us say 20 to 50. 20 to 50 will be very high. 50 to 1/6 हो गया ना. 20, 10 to 30, let us say, and comma, column number from 310, let us say, for example, to 330. Okay, oh, it's all right. The row number I have taken as 10 to 30, and column number 310 to 330. So you know which portion of the image I am referring to. So if you look at this, see how small these numbers are. Can you see? As compared to the previous values, here the values were something different. All these values were in 100s, but the last values which I showed you, they are nearly 50s. So because the intensity of this portion is very, I mean, small. There, it's not completely black also. It's not completely black. Don't think that it is completely black. It's completely black means the value would have been 0. But the value 0 is not there, so it's not black. But near black. It's very near to black. So this is the image, fxy, and this is the matrix of a particular size. Let us say with this image, some noise is getting added up. Noise is getting added up because probably the lens of the camera was not clean. It was having some slight dust. Might be that environment had some particles in the suspended particles in air or humid particles. Okay, because of the environmental reasons also, if there is a fog, Of course, your image will not be sharp, right? So there are so many reasons due to which the image will get deteriorated. So let us say initially there was a noiseless image. This is pure image. However, because the noise got added up with the image, so NXY is the noise part of the total image. And total image we are calling as GXY. We are calling it as corrupted image because it got corrupted due to noise. So that means GXY is equal to FXY, that means the pure image plus the noise. Okay, so that is the actual image GXY.